Do you ever go into somebody's house and want to open all their cupboards and look and see what's inside? Well, my name is Shelly and I'm going to give you a tour of what is inside my dining room built-in. We just added this. It's all from Ikea and it has made a huge difference in our kitchen. We downsized our house about 8 years ago and we've been struggling big time with storage. So this has been super efficient, and I'm going to also share with you exactly what we bought and how much it costs. Let's cut right to the chase and let's open all the drawers and I'll show you what's inside, how we're using all this wonderful space. First things first, we've got our end cabinet, which is 80 inches tall, 15 inches deep, 30 inches wide, I believe. I will double check all of these measurements at the end. Let's open the doors. We chose to open our cupboards going this way, so they open to the outside, which is a little unusual, but we often have big crowds, especially at Christmas and Thanksgiving, and we wanted to make sure that they stayed accessible. And that's the nice thing about Ikea, is you can do it however you want. If you go right to the top, at the top is my cookie cutters and my mason jar stuff for pickling that I don't do super often, but I like to have. And then I've got some bread baskets and a cake plate. This is my favorite part because I am this person that has this deep desire to be organized, but struggles with it on a daily basis. Here is everything that chops in my life. So I've got my Vitamix and my food processor. And then in this top drawer, we've got all the attachments for the food processor. And in the drawer below it, we've got everything else in my life that chops. So I've got my veggie chopper, I've got a French fry chopper, a Parmesan cheese grater, and a zucchini chopper. And I've got room for more. Now let's keep working our way down. We'll move the camera like that. So you can see I have 3 drawers below. Now this is all one unit. So the 3 drawers and the cabinet above it come all as one unit. So in the top drawer, I have all of my serving utensils. Next drawer down is baking stuff. I love to bake and I have a lot of baking stuff, but this is just kind of my overflow, and the stuff that maybe I don't use super often is over here. So it's got a nice little home now because, again, I might not use it every day, but I like to have it. And then in my bottom drawer is my candles. I love Yankee Candle and I love Christmas candles. So that is all my candles. Hold on, I'm gonna move the camera. It doesn't help that I have this table right in front of it that weighs 200 freaking pounds, so I can't move it. All right, I think we can see. Now I have a set of 3 drawers, and these drawers again are 15 inches deep by 36 inches wide, and I don't know how tall they are, but I will find out by the end of the video. So again, let's go to the top drawer, and here we have all of my party utensils. So this is when we have family gatherings. So this houses all that. Next drawer down is all of my glass serving dishes. Struggling for words here. All of my glass serving dishes. And then the next drawer down is again more serving stuff. And I also have a bag with all of my napkin rings in it. Beside that is another cabinet, the exact same. So top drawer here, we've got all my plastic dishes. These are used mostly for outdoor in the summertime, but they're nice to have inside. Oh, and these. I've got these. I've got 10 of these. These we use for fajita feasts, so that everybody gets their own individual dish with all their toppings. So for their sour cream, cheese, and salsa, or whatever you like to put in them. These are great. I got these at Loblaws and I have 10 of them. Next drawer down is my plastic drawer. Now this is my plastic serving dishes. Again, I don't have a ton because I've never had any space for them. But now I have lots of space to get more. So yep, that's all the plastic. And then in the bottom drawer is all of my paper, because there are times when paper plates are perfect. Outdoor barbecues, we tend to do a lot of smoking in the summer, so we'll do like pulled pork or ribs or stuff like that. Those occasions, I like paper. So we have paper plates, paper bowls, plastic cups. We also always keep takeaway dishes on hand for people to take leftovers home with them for lunch the next day. So yeah, that's all of our paper. And then the last cupboard at the end is the same as the cupboard at the other end. Again, it's 80 inches tall by 15 inches deep, and I think 30 inches wide. We open it up, my dogs are barking. This is where we house all of our small appliances that you love to have to see every day. Somebody must be in the driveway, probably Amazon. Now the dogs are going crazy inside too. Let's see if we can keep going. Anyway, okay, small appliances. I've got my waffle maker. Guys, I've got my bread maker, my air fryer, my George Foreman grill, my baking cooker, meat cutter, some baking dishes. What do you call that thing? Fondue at the top and fondue forks, because we actually like to fondue. We probably only do it about once a year, but we've been having fondue since I was a teenager. My parents always liked to do them. So if you've never tried a fondue, they're a lot of fun. And I have a chocolate melter up there, which is great for like dipping fruit in with my grandkids. And yeah, all of my appliances now have their own home off my counter. And they're on the same floor as the kitchen. Because I don't know about you, but we've had to store a lot of these things downstairs in the basement in a closet. So they're going up and down to get stuff, tearing everything out. Major pain in the butt. So this is amazing. Amazing. 3 more drawers. And in the top drawer, we call this our junk drawer, but honestly, there is not a piece of junk in here. So this is all your little nits and bitty stuff that you have to have. So that's our junk drawer. Next one down is light bulbs and batteries. Now they have a spot. They have their own home. And then in the bottom drawer, again, with the plastic theme, we've got plastic utensils. We've got a ton of knives and a ton of spoons. No forks. The forks are always what goes first. Yeah. We got a lot of spoons and a little bit more cups. So I have to add some forks to this before the summer. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. The older I get, the more important it is to be organized and to know where things are, because I just can't trust my brain anymore.